पंचामृत प्रेजेंस फोर्टिफाइड राइस, संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान।
Panchamrita Rice presents Food Mania.
Welcome back to Prudent Media on yet another episode of Food Mania. As we can see that the table is looking all exquisite, so let's call the chef and ask him what we're making today.
Hi Deva, how are you?
I'm good. How are
Hello,
you?
nice to see you. क्या लग रहा है? क्या बना रहा हूँ? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Hi viewers, how are you? So let's ask if she can make a guess. क्या बना रहा हूँ?
I don't see any made products here, so I'm guessing it's all vegetarian today.
Well, I've been getting plenty of mails कहता please make some vegetarian stuff. So मैंने सोचा चलो यार viewers are ultimate, who appreciate us, appreciate our work. We get a lot of suggestions and all, and especially that ladies segment vegetarian बनाई है, तो मैं आज उनके लिए vegetarian बना रहा हूँ. And it's a meal by itself. It's called Burmese khawswe.
Okay.
Khawswe is a meal in itself. ये monks का खाना है. Versions बहुत सारे हैं. But first, let me clarify something. Khawswe has got different version. It's basically a meal in itself of Burma. Monks लोग खाते हैं, एक टाइम खाना खाते हैं, sunset से पहले. And all they sit together and they have it. So, and like Thailand also there are monks. So interchange होते ये इसका रेसिपी बहुत सारे है. If you go to Google and check it out.
I have been to many places actually and I've tried it.
Okay.
And at every place it tastes different.
Great. I'll tell you. Like they have an Indonesian food called nasi goreng. उसका 10 रेसिपी है, बट एक्चुअली बलिनीज है. तो इसमें मैंने भी कुछ अपना किया है, बट इफ somebody wants to stick to his or her own recipe, they can do it. So I have had infused little Thai flavors in it.
Oh, nice.
Okay, why? Because a lot of people from Myanmar, the monks, they travel to Thailand, and Thailand से लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं. The pilgrimage is there, religious pilgrimage. तो अभी ज्यादातर जगह पे ये चल रहा है. किसी ने अगर दूसरे तरीके से बनाना है, बनाए. I'll show you the best way. What ingredients are available at your home. एक दो चीजें चाहिए होता है, सब available होता है market में.
So chef, I can see many ingredients here. Can you tell me a little about it?
I'll tell you. You see, now I'll tell you. I'll start from here. I have dried red chili. I have turmeric haldi. I have pink salt, white pepper seasoning, and like I told you, this is the Thai red curry paste.
Okay.
Okay, because the khawswe has got a little orangish color. I've got paprika powder. I've got lemon juice. I've got jaggery, good. I've got besan, and then I have some curry powder. I have salt, of course, and in case I just want to bring it up because the curry powder, the red curry paste has got salt. एंड मेरे पास होल धनिया है, जीरा है. इसको मैं पैन रोस्ट करके फिर ग्राइंड करूंगा. ओके. एंड खाउसवे के लिए व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू बेसिकली हैव टू मेक ए पेस्ट ऑफ अनियन, कोरिएंडर के ये शूट्स यूज करने हैं बेसिकली, नॉट लीफ पार्ट, टू गेट मोर फ्लेवर्स. एंड देन ग्रीन चिली, जिंजर एंड गार्लिक. ओके. नाउ द वेजीज आई एम गोइंग टू पुट सम ब्रोकली, Thai brinjal. Flavors के लिए I'll be using basil, kaffir lime, lemon leaf, then galangal, Thai ginger, lemongrass. Lemongrass को मैंने थोड़ा बीट कर लिया है. Veggies I'm using is like I said broccoli, zucchini, carrots, baby corn and mushroom. And then since a vegetarian version, I have made some a stock. Like you see, I've used red carrots. And I put celery and garlic. वो तैयार है बिल्कुल. You just smell it and see. You can the celery का बड़ा अच्छा flavor आता है.
The aroma.
हाँ. So this will be the base.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, chef. Let's see what we can have today. You can start.
Well, I'm going to start, and So now I've also got freshly squeezed coconut milk also ready. So I was just waiting for it to come, तो वो मैंने कर लिया. You can use the market ones also, ये मैंने freshly squeeze किया हुआ है. उसको basically blend it in a mixie and muslin cloth से ना उसको ये करके. So this is about you can say 2 coconuts, fresh ones. Okay. So let me just begin.
All right.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do, ये थोड़ा जीरा ले रहा हूँ, taking cumin, whole cumin, and then I've got whole coriander. So I just pan roast it. Do it on a slow fire. First heat it up, and then do it on a slow fire. The coriander has to be more in quantity. If you use too much of cumin, it will overpower. So it will just take about 2-3 minutes. So till then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a paste of onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, and coriander. So I'm just going to blend it, and like I said, Wonder Chef, courtesy everything, like you see the beautiful, Wonder Chef range, even the pots and pans what I'll be using today, these are all Wonder Chef, and even the blenders and all, these are Wonder Chef, So courtesy. Very nice thing, I would recommend you. And even the spatulas, what they have, you see, it's such a sturdy thing. ये देखो लगता है जैसे डंडा है, but ये मुड़ जाता है. Fire resistant, lovely products. So I'm going to first put the garlic. Onion, ginger, green chilies. Green chilies, you can, if you want it more spicy, you can use more green chilies. I've just kept it little medium, something between less spicy and medium, and of course the coriander. Coriander can use this part, not the leaf ones. And then so I'm going to just make a mix out of it. I'm going to blend it. Just let me So here I have the mix ready. So you see, बड़ा अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा है. So I'm going to just grind it and so I have it ready here. So I've just put it, I'm going to grind it. So let me just grind it. This Wonder Chef, it's got such a function, you put it reverse, ऊपर का जो सारा सामान नीचे खींच के ले आता है. such a lovely, you see, freshly ground, roasted. That's wonderful. So now I have the ginger garlic, green chili, coriander mix ready, and roasted coriander and cumin, jeera and dhania, ye ready hai. So now we're going to start the process. So now I'm going to start the process of houseway. Isko, when I'll put the vegetables to cook, and then I'm going to make something else in a blender. मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या बनाऊंगा. So first, I'm going to put some oil. So just heat the कढ़ाई को थोड़ा हीट कर लेते हैं. So my oil is heated up. So first I'm going to put the paste. Just watch me what I'm going to add. Carefully watch me. First I'll be putting the lemon leaf and the basil, lemongrass, Thai ginger and Thai galangal. This I'll put it 2 minutes later. So I'm just seeing that it gives little flavor. Just 30 seconds. And then I'm going to add the curry paste, red curry paste. This red curry, you have to make sure that you in market you get lot of stuff. The ones like Nitya or Namjai, these are very good. I would suggest you. Once you get, वो बहुत salty होता है, खाने का taste खराब कर देता है. So just give it a gentle saute. So you can see it's giving nice, that flavor. And then I'm going to add little of this vegetable stock, some of this coriander and jeera, paprika for a nice color, putting the whole red chili, haldi powder and some curry powder, little seasoning, pink salt seasoning. So I'm going to add all my veggies. Just a gentle stir for maybe 20 seconds. Put the gas on little higher flame. And then I'm going to add some of this vegetable stock I have made. It's got celery and I've used the red carrots. So I'm going to let it cook for some time. Like I said, when these vegetables are getting little cooked, I'm going to do another process where I've got the freshly squeezed coconut milk So this is from 2 coconuts. And some besan. Besan also acts as a thickening agent. So, got the coconut milk and the besan, gram flour. So I'm going to make a mix out of it. So, like the vegetables are getting cooked. So today we're using this very nice Panchamrita Sona Masuri rice. So I have boiled the steamed rice. I put it on the steamer to heat it up, and it should be on a very low heat, So I have added the mixture of besan and gram flour and the coconut milk. And then I'm going to add some jaggery and some lemon juice. लेमन जूस अभी थोड़ा ही ऐड कर रहा हूँ, बाद में मैं इसका देखता हूँ कि टेस्ट कैसा हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा सारनेस रहना चाहिए. My rice is absolutely hot. Let me just check up the khause. Consistency जो है ना इसका बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. So, done up with the khause. इसका नॉन वेजिटेरियन अगर आपने वर्जन करना है ना तो you can use meat instead of vegetables. You can use meat. Okay, and now when I'm going to serve it, I have got lemon veg, I have got roasted peanuts, brown garlic and brown onion. So iski jagah pe, you can use all seafood, meat if you want to have a non-veg version of it. So this is how you have it.
मॅडम सुगंध तर इतलो बरो येता जाणा.
थँक्यू.
टिफिना वांगडा त्यो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुडयो दिवपाक विसरू नाका हा.
आता तो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुळयो विसर.
कित्याक?
का या तांदळातूच सगळे न्यूट्रिशन मेळटले. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस हातूंत आयर्न, झिंक, फॉलिक ऍसिड, व्हिटॅमिन ए, बी सारकेले 9 मिनरल्स आसात. तर हे झाले नाही निरोगी आणि सुवादिक. तर पुराय पौष्टिक आहारा खातीर
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस
असल्यास पुरो.
पुराय पोषणा खातीर पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस. घराघरांनी पंचामृता.
So please welcome Dr. Gupta, who is a famous dentist in Goa and
Also a foodie.
also a foodie. And chef, why don't you?
Yeah, so Dr. Saab, you're a foodie. आप तो बहुत excited. हाँ. So खाउसवे बनाया है, just it, basically तो थोड़ा basically what people do is so ये थोड़ा I'll just show you like how the Burmese do it. तो पहले वो लोग थोड़ा they put some rice on it. Okay, so this is how in Burma they have it. Okay, and after that what they will do is, so this is that khause. So I made it a little, put a little Thai flavor, and like you must have been watching it. And इसके ऊपर like I made a veg version. So if you like garlic, vegetarian, you like garlic, तो थोड़ा garlic मैं आपको sprinkle करके देता हूँ. And then I've got some brown onion. ये खाइए, बड़ा मजेदार होता है.
ये तो मेरा फेवरेट है.
Okay, and then there's some roasted peanuts. Would you like to have peanuts?
Yes, please, please.
So, Dr. Sir, and then of course, I'm just telling you how the worms do it. Okay, and थोड़ा अगर lemon आपको और चाहिए तो थोड़ा और squeeze कर लीजिए.
बस.
तो बताइए डॉक्टर साहब, खा के पहले आपने टेस्ट करना है.
आप नहीं लेंगे?
ये एक और फूडी बैठी है तो इसको टेस्ट कराऊंगा. मैंने तो उस टाइम बनाते वक्त टेस्ट किया था. सो देवा,
Smells yummy.
चलो देवा, you help yourself.
These are all exotic vegetables.
Yeah, so I'll tell you, I put zucchini, I put carrot, broccoli, then मैंने थोड़ा या थाई ब्रिंजल है, छोटे छोटे जो आप देख रहे
Oh,
हैं.
brinjal.
हाँ, थाईलैंड के ब्रिंजल है.
Green
तो,
color.
हाँ,
Tiny.
हाँ, so बड़ा फेमस है ये ब्रिंजल. थोड़ा क्रिस्प होता है.
Oh, nice. कुंदरू के जैसा लग रहा है.
हाँ, कुंदरू. मेरे घर में भी ना सब लोग कहते हैं कुंदरे ले आए.
हाँ. तो टेस्ट लाइक ब्रिंजल.
हाँ,
टेस्ट लाइक ब्रिंजल.
it will taste like brinjal, पर थोड़ा क्रिस्प होगा. ये पकता नहीं है.
अच्छा, ओके.
So squeeze lemon, and I know you like garlic and
Lemon makes a difference.
हाँ, तो like some more lemon. तो थोड़ा मिक्स करके then
Mix करो.
हाँ,
खिचड़ी तो है.
खिचड़ी बिल्कुल. This is actually a खिचड़ी meal by बर्मा में ना ये meal by itself है.
Oh, yeah. Looks
It's a meal in itself. अच्छा, ये नॉन वेज वर्जन में ना वो थोड़ा प्रॉन्स, चिकन, लैम एंड एवरीथिंग लेके एंड और वेजीज तो उनके यहाँ पर ना वो लोग इतने सारे वेजीज रखते हैं. मैंने तो इसमें मिक्स कर दिया. Normally what they do is they make that stock pot and सब्जी 10-15 सब्जी रख देंगे, मीट के प्रोडक्ट्स रख देंगे, ब्लांच करके, ब्रेस करके, you know, and
सिर्फ किस चीज का स्वाद आ रहा है? कोई बहुत सटल सा, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्लेवर.
ये लेमन लीफ होगा.
मे बी.
हाँ, लेमन लीफ है. क्यों लेमन जूस भी मैंने डाला. ये बेसिल है. बेसिल.
Would you like to eat some, chef?
I've already tried that time. I will definitely, but first I want my foodies to give me a
Because
flavor.
this is amazing.
I must say. And lemon makes a lot of difference. Small things. आपने जरा सा डाला है. जबकि मेरे को लेमन बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. बिल्कुल. मेरे शिकंजी में भी लेमन.
अच्छा, पर viewers, I'd like to tell you, ये जो मेरा स्माइल देखते हो ना, ये सारा पता मेंटेन ये करते हैं. He's a wonderful person. I like him. जब भी जाते हो ना, इतना मजा आता है इनके पास. 15 मिनट का काम पर इनके साथ 1 घंटा लग जाता है. तो बाकी मैं देखता हूँ बाहर वेटिंग चल रही है, तो मैं कहता हूँ डॉक्टर साहब, people are waiting outside. Very famous dentist, है.
I think groundnuts give it an extra texture ना.
हाँ.
फ्लेवर शायद ना, टेक्सचर ना.
अच्छा, पता क्या है डॉक्टर साहब, इसका जो ओरिजिनल रेसिपी में ना पीनट क्रश करके भी डालते हैं, पर मैंने डाला नहीं है.
In the gravy.
हाँ, but because lot of people इंडिया में ना वो they are allergic to peanut and बहुत सारे चीज, तो मैंने देखा तो मैंने I put it on this side.
So thank you, Dr. Gupta, for coming.
थैंक यू. बॉन एपेटिट. घर में बनाइए एंड प्लीज मुझे मेल लिख के बताइए एनी सजेशंस यू हैव. सो देयर वाज अ लेडी, her name is Deepu Anand, Deepu Anand, and so it's Deepu Mehta, I think. So she was after me, please make something vegetarian. मैंने कहा खाउसवे. yes खाउसवे. so please, काफी लोगों ने मेरे को खाउसवे का बोला to make some vegetarian stuff. बनाऊंगा. टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, फूड मेनिया से, प्रूडेंट मीडिया की तरफ से, बाय बाय.